Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix if Snapchat remix option is not available. So I have recently uploaded a video for the how to remix snaps on the Snapchat. Many of the people claiming that they don't have that option to remix the snap. First of all, go to your snaps, then tap on any of snap, and from here tap on the three dots at top right corner of your screen, and you will find remix snap right here. But still, if you don't find this option right here, simply go back and open your Play Store and search here for Snapchat. Once you will do it, make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. So if your Snapchat is not updated, click on the update button right here to update your Snapchat. In my case, my Snapchat has already been updated. Once you will do it, go to the settings, scroll down. From here, tap on application and permissions, and from here, tap on app manager. Scroll down and search Snapchat option. Then tap on Snapchat. In Snapchat app info, tap on internal storage, and from here tap on clear data and clear cache and clear all data and cache. Once you will do it, you will find the remix option. In this way, you can fix if Snapchat remix option is not available. So this was a process by which you can fix if Snapchat remix option is not available. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.